Andy is very dedicated and committed to his family, hard worker, is probably like a model in YPD. Very nurturing and loves to help people out.
With my mom now having passed, everything sort of goes to Dad now, and he really fills the spot well.
Makes me feel like I have a new life because it's so bright and it's so inviting.
So you guys like it?
Yeah.
I love it.
You like the whole apartment?
Yeah.
This is just beautiful.
What are you thinking, Norm?
You're a good man.
Are you ready to call this place home?
I'm here.
Andy is very dedicated and committed to his family, hard worker, is probably like a model in YPD. Very nurturing and loves to help people out.
Thank you.
You know, the only time you think about the police is if, God forbid, something awful's happened and you need their help. But they are there, day in, day out, protecting and serving us and keeping our community safe. And sometimes even the police need a little help. So let's go let Andy and his family know they're being rescued. I'm excited to see you guys. I know it's been a long time, but we got a little crazy here. We finished that basement for you. You guys want to see?
Yes, we do.
All right, follow me.
Go.
Feel that? See that? That's it. That's air conditioning. That's air conditioning.
Wow.
Every room, every floor.
Oh my goodness.
Head on downstairs.
Forget upstairs, this is so nice.
I love it. This is mine. You know, the idea was to make it a study space, but with that huge TV that I have there, I don't think a lot of studying is going to be done.
She can study and then you can watch TV.
Okay, I'll supervise. All right.
Yes.
Not that you got that corner.
Oh, look at the N right there. Look, N.
You need an A.
N.
It's actually a Z.
No, get out.
That's your homework cubicle right there.
It's going to be her command center right here.
Exactly.
Oh, this is so cool. Look, Olivia. Look, Catherine. You know, I think the space was really thought out.
Oh, you wash and
My
dryer.
goodness. Laundry for me.
Right. Big screen TV for me.
Yeah, a space for Nati and Olivia's space. She loves it, and Catherine is super happy.
Ever since the fall of 2001, there has been a hole in the skyline over Lower Manhattan. And since then, thousands of construction workers have had a hand in filling that hole. And one such man is Kevin Kennedy, a union iron worker who built the beams for the new Freedom Tower. Over the last 20 years, Kevin has used his skills not just to earn an income, but to build a home for his wife and 4 daughters here in Mahopac, New York. Last year while at work, Kevin was seriously injured and unable to finish his last home renovation, his backyard. All right, you guys ready? Take a look at the front of the house. You guys like what you see? You want to see some more?
Yes.
All right, what do we say we go right down this front path right here? Kennedy family, welcome home. 3, 2, 1.
So good.
I can't stop saying, oh my God.
Maybe the best letter you ever wrote?
Yes. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. Thank you.
It's
So incredible.
I'm just totally in shock. It's unbelievable.
2011, in August, we had Hurricane Irene, and we wound up with roughly 7 feet of water in the basement. Basically, everything was gone. And I just had to walk away.
He was so absolutely devastated that you kind of become paralyzed and you can't think properly, you can't make decisions because there's just so much that you have to think about and so much that you have to do. You just can't do it.
Currently, my father is staying in the 2nd bedroom, which is right across from our bedroom. But it is tight quarters, so I mean, I'm sure that he wants his privacy, and we would
Like to have ours.
like to have ours as well.
Just a little bit.
You guys excited? Yeah. You guys are all color coordinated. I like it.
Again. I swear I don't pick out their clothes.
Well, this way you can keep Fred upstairs from now on and keep Dad downstairs. He has his own domain. So what do you say? Without further ado, you guys want to see what we did?
So ready.
All right, follow me.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
It's the same house?
Oh my God.
Unreal.
This is amazing.
Holy cow.
Unbelievable.
Look at this.
Looks like we're going to be spending a lot of time together, you know.
We're moving down here.
We had to turn, obviously, the majority of it into an apartment for Norm, but you have to have some place to store all of your stuff. Whoa.
Oh, wow.
So we made you a very highly organized storage room.
This is beautiful.
So what apartment would be complete without, obviously, a bathroom? You guys want to see it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Norm, why don't you actually do the honors?
Oh my God.
Wow. Wow.
Huge.
The master bedroom.
Wow.
Whoa.
So you guys like it?
Yeah.
I love it.
You like the whole apartment?
Yeah.
This is just beautiful.
What are you thinking, Norm?
You're a good man.
Are you ready to call this place home?
I'm here.
Dennis Cosgrove is a former Marine, a New York Police Department detective. The man has served his country and now serves his community. Megan Cosgrove is Dennis's wife, who unfortunately passed away during childbirth and has left Dennis to raise their son Declan on his own.
After Megan passed, I had a hard time being in the house, and it's still very hard to be in the house. You know, you turn a corner and you think of a time where the two of you bumped into each other, or just you picture her walking down the stairs. I did want to move initially, but then you start to think and you want to stay the course that you had set up as far as what you were going to do as a family, and I have to do it because it was what she wanted, it was what we wanted, and I just try and continue that way.
Dennis, Declan family, welcome back.
Hi, how are you, George?
I'm doing great. Good to see you, bud. How you doing? Follow me. Head on down.
Oh, really unbelievable. Look at this, bud. Ooh, a little television. Oh, wow. God.
Look at this, huh?
When we used to walk down the stairs, it was just a dungy, cold, dirty basement. Now it feels like you can hang out down here. It's very warm.
Oh, that's awesome.
When Declan came down to the basement, he opened up his eyes, he was smiling, he was happy.
You see, bud? You see, you're happy?
The most amazing thing about the basement, I think, was when coming down and seeing the house that was built for him inside of the basement, I think is incredible. It's like his own little space within his space. It's really unbelievable.
Wow.
I think Dennis and Declan are gonna have a great time down here. It's a nice, happy thing that's happened and it's finished. I definitely think Dennis is very happy.
My wife was diagnosed with breast cancer around Hurricane Sandy time in October and November of 2012. The cancer had spread to her brain in July of 2013, and she had passed away on December 7th, 2013.
This experience just completely made us closer. Now we don't have to say anything and we understand each other. I feel like nothing anything that ever happens is never going to be able to separate us just because we're so close from what happened.
With my mom now having passed, everything sort of goes to Dad now, and he really fills the spot well.
I want to tackle the kitchen because I think at the end of the day, that is the central focus point of the house. Right now, it's very closed in, it's very small, it's really not that functional.
Yeah, I definitely think that changing the space could change someone's spirit, because it can change all of our spirits, because just It'll help with bringing a new environment to the household and a new atmosphere.
Hey guys.
Hey.
George. Welcome home.
Thank you. Good to see you.
Bring it in, my friend.
Good to see you.
Good to see you. Good to see you guys. I want you to know that those newfound cooking skills, they will not be wasted in this new kitchen. You guys want to see what we've been up to?
Absolutely.
Yeah. All right.
Let's do it.
Whoa.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Oh my God.
What's this?
Oh, that's for you. I forgot it, even you walked right by it.
Oh my goodness.
So the kitchen is obviously for everybody, but we also wanted to give you a little wine fridge.
Whoa.
This is the adult section, guys. You're not allowed over here.
I really had no idea the whole house was getting like redone. I thought it was just the kitchen. You just do so much. So cool.
Joe's larger-than-life personality made him the perfect match for the entertainment business. He spent over 40 years in television and radio at NBC. Now, while Joe absolutely loved his career, a life-altering medical diagnosis forced him to retire early.
So the initial diagnosis didn't come until we sort of pushed him to go to the doctor. We all kind of knew what was happening with the tremors. It was pretty clear that it was leading towards Parkinson's.
Parkinson's disease affects your brain. It affects your central nervous system, and it starts with tremors and then with your balance and your mobility, and it progresses from there. And Joe right now is experiencing mobility obstacles and is unable to tackle many daily tasks on his own. Although he faces numerous new challenges and adjustments, his family has been there every step of the way. What was once a warm, beautiful, safe home has now become a treacherous, hazard-filled, anxiety-inducing environment for Joe and the Hunterkamp family. Welcome home.
Thank you.
Good to see you, Joe.
Thank
How
you.
you doing, buddy?
Thank good.
Long time coming. You guys ready to go inside and see what we
We're
did?
ready.
All right, follow me on the new widened driveway.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
This is unreal.
Wow.
I never pictured it like this. Wow.
Wow.
Wow. I can't believe this.
Is this the right house?
Joe's new bedroom it's bright and it's safe and it's just delightful to be in there. All the little details, the little plants and the pictures that were framed.
Oh my God. Oh wow. Oh my God. This is so crazy.
This is gorgeous.
Wow. I was just overwhelmed when I saw it. It was so gorgeous.
Look at this. This is all like handicapped accessible.
Oh my God.
This is amazing.
This is awesome.
It's really going to change his life to have a bathroom downstairs now because it's not this whole production, just taking a shower.
And then you have either whether you want the handheld or just the regular shower. This way, you know, it's not sponge baths anymore.
Oh, that's really great. Makes me feel like I have a new life because it's so bright and it's so inviting. I'm gonna have a number of invaders as I go along. My private space, they say. We'll see about that.
Thank you so much for watching that video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a video.